the man is getting distracted sometimes. It happens. It happens to all of us, you know? You get distracted. But I think that's why you need commander. Instead, just Secret Service stand behind him being all quiet at everything. You have commander walking in front of the podium. Stalking. Looking for who he likes, who he doesn't like. Commander sees somebody and he's like,
"Hey! Cut that out!"
Commander getting loud is exactly what Biden needs. Every 30 seconds, you know. Give him the speech, you go to turn. Oh, yes. Everybody wins.